get down to CLFA, baby new canal. So as you can see, I have my braids out and I have a whole lot of build-up. So what I'm going to do is get rid of this build-up caused by the braids, and actually have to do my hair nicely because I have a shoot this week. Normally I would just wash it, blow dry, put it in a bun, wait for my next protective style, because in the summer I really don't like to deal with my hair that much because it doesn't like me very much unless I get a keratin treatment, which is something I would definitely love to do right now, but budget wise, I just trying to budget my money a little bit more wisely. So I already have some warm water in a spray bottle, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put some conditioner. I'm just going to use the Pantene moisture conditioner. I love this conditioner, along with the shampoo. I don't know if you guys can tell how much I put in there. That looks so cool though. I'm gonna stir it. Alright, so I got it all shaken up. And you want to use warm water because that's going to open up the cuticle of the hair, and that's going to help remove the buildup. And I'm just going to spray all in my edges, my roots, and use my fingers to get that buildup off. And the reason I'm doing this before I wash my hair is just because it's going to make the wash process a little bit easier. We already have this stuff out of your hair, and this is going to actually help get it out your hair a little bit more safely. And you can actually use this after you've washed and conditioned your hair as a leave-in conditioner. This is like a great affordable leave-in conditioner. And you can do this with any conditioner you have. Just dilute it with water. Thumbs up this video if I should try braid out. I think I should, because this doesn't look that bad, at least in my mind. I don't know, maybe it does look bad, but if I should try braid out, let me know in the comment section below, and then give me some tips on what I should do with my hair to make it look cool, because I feel like this has so much potential. I don't know, actually my natural curl pattern looks a lot like this because my hair is really wavy. Back to this. Alright, so I got that all in my roots, and what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to condition my hair, and then I'm going to detangle it because I know a lot of shedded hair since I haven't been able to detangle my hair at all for about a month. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash it and then condition it again, and then I'll be back. So I finally finished washing my hair and conditioning it. So what I did at first was use the Pantene conditioner to help me just detangle my hair, and I detangled it with this comb. And then to wash my hair, I use this clarifying shampoo that I actually picked up in Paris a couple years ago. Couldn't tell you what it says in English, but I know it does clarify, and it did a great job of clarifying my hair. And then for my conditioner, I used the Mielle Rosemary Mint one. I wanted something light but still very effective. So yeah, I conditioned with that for a good 20 minutes and rinse it all out, and now it's time to blow dry. So my hair still feels really moisturized, so I'm not gonna bother it with putting a leave-in conditioner on because I don't want my hair to be too weighed down. And I like to part my hair into 4 sections when I blow dry because that helps me have a little bit more control over the amount of heat that I put on each section, and it helps me get each section a little bit more straighter as opposed to me just blow drying my hair all out without it being parted. And make sure to always use heat protectant before you blow dry your hair. I'm going to use my same old Conair blow dryer. Yep, the Conair Infinity one. And then my favorite GHD brush. I'm obsessed with this brush. Even though it costs a lot of money, it is by far the best brush I have ever used. And then the second one would be the Conair Event brush, which is what I like to use to help save blow dry time. That one's going to give you a lot more volume to the hair. This one is going to just make sure that you are getting your strands as straight as possible with a blow dryer. So I always like to detangle my hair first with a comb, and then to detangle my hair second with a paddle brush. So that way when I'm blow drying my hair, I am kind of cutting down on the heat time with trying to simultaneously dry my hair and detangle it. So this way it's already like detangled. I'm going to use the highest heat setting and the highest fan setting. hair all blow dried out, and I figured the style I want to do is kind of big, I guess, a little bit. So what I'm going to do is take the flat iron. I'm using my Babyliss Pro, my favorite flat iron. I have this link below along with everything else I'm using. And I'm going to just do like curls with it and then just see where that takes me. Yeah, I'm just going to play with putting curls in my hair as I go through each section, straightening it, and then let's see how it ends up coming out. And I'm going to put the setting on 410 because it's humid outside and I know my hair is just going to puff right back up if I use a lower heat setting. So this is the 4th heat setting. The highest it goes to is 450. So in terms of how I'm curling, I'm first just taking a small section, combing it out, and then with my flat iron, I'm dabbing the root, and then just curling it outward. I twist the flat iron around the hair like 3 times about, and then slowly pull it through. Then I get this little curl. And then after every few curls, I put the curls together to get like one big type of curl. I don't know if that makes sense, but you'll see what I mean in a second. Okay, so you see all these little curls? What I'm going to do is take my paddle brush, lightly comb it through, and then use my finger and just make one big curl. Like so. And then as I get to the front of my hair, I'm going to curl under to help with framing my face. So dab the root, swoop it under, and then curl it out like so. I'm going to lightly paddle brush it, but you don't really want to disturb the curls too much in the front because we have it framing the face. So these are the end results, and I think the style is pretty cool because obviously my hair is still going to frizz up with the weather being as humid as it is, but I just think the frizzing of it is just going to add to the look. And to preserve it, I think I'm just going to wrap my hair. I think it'll be okay. I'll still have this type of curl in the morning, and then I can play with the parting. Then I could play with little styles like this too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave me a thumbs up if you want to see a makeup tutorial, and until the next video.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work